AI magic. Create health and fitness videos in minutes with pictory.ai. In a world where innovation knows no bounds, the year 2023 is poised to be a landmark chapter in the ever-evolving saga of artificial intelligence. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game-changer, a force that's reshaping industries, enriching our lives, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the mind-blowing advancements that are revolutionizing our world. Are you an aspiring content creator looking for the next big breakthrough? Look no further. Generative AI models are reshaping the creative landscape, allowing you to produce stunning content like never before. From generating art to crafting stories, AI-powered creativity is taking center stage. We'll unveil the mind-bending capabilities that are putting the power of innovation at your fingertips. But before we begin our deep dive into the world of AI, let's talk about another powerhouse in the digital realm: video content. In today's digital landscape, video reigns supreme. It's captivating, informative, and endlessly shareable. Whether you're an aspiring YouTuber, a business owner, or a social media enthusiast, harnessing the power of video is a must. With people spending an average of 17 hours per week watching videos, the potential for engagement is boundless. Did you know that posts with videos get a whopping 48% more views than those without? It's not just about views, it's about influence. A staggering 96% of people watch explainer videos before making purchase decisions. And for businesses, the impact is equally profound. A remarkable 70% of business-to-business buyers turn to videos as they navigate their way toward a purchase. In 2023, 91% of all businesses have embraced video marketing, recognizing its unrivaled potential to connect, engage, and convert. So, whether you're fascinated by the future of AI, eager to unlock the secrets of video content, or simply hungry for knowledge, you're in the right place. This is What's New in AI in 2023, and it's time to embark on a journey into the future. Buckle up, because the future is here, and it's more exhilarating than you can imagine. Let's get started. Section 1. AI Video Editing with Pictory. Pictory.ai Video Generator. Pictory is a game-changer, revolutionizing the way videos are created and edited. Pictory boasts an extensive library that's a treasure trove for content creators. With over 3 million video clips and images at your disposal, along with a music library featuring 15,000 tracks, your creative possibilities are limitless. Whether you're starting from scratch or enhancing existing footage, Pictory Library has you covered. What sets Pictory apart are its cutting-edge features. You can effortlessly clean up your videos, insert logos to reinforce your brand identity, add captivating intros and outros, and even craft compelling highlight reels. Pictory also excels at repurposing longer video content, making it more engaging and shareable. But that's not all. Pictory takes video accessibility to the next level. It can automatically transcribe your videos, ensuring accessibility and improving SEO. You can also add captions effortlessly. And for those seeking quick summaries, Pictory has got you covered. Now, let's talk about narration. Pictory offers a range of options to suit your preferences. You can lend your own voice to your videos, let an AI voice narrate for a polished finish, or use text to convey your message. It's all about making video creation flexible and user-friendly. What makes Pictory truly remarkable is its ease of use. This AI video generator might be incredibly powerful, but it's designed to be user-friendly. You can create professional quality videos in a matter of minutes, with just a few clicks. It's a game-changer for both seasoned creators and beginners looking to unleash their creativity. Before we delve into how to get started with Pictory, let's understand the essence of AI video generation. It harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to craft video content swiftly and efficiently. Whether you're starting from scratch or transforming existing footage, AI takes care of the complex editing tasks, allowing you to focus on your creative vision. AI video editing isn't your typical video editing software. It's faster, smoother, and incredibly polished. You don't need to be a video editing expert. AI takes care of the heavy lifting. By simply inputting your data and making styling selections, you can achieve professional-looking videos that leave a lasting impact. So, how can you embark on your journey with Pictory? It's as easy as signing up for our AI video creator or logging into your Pictory account. You can even explore Pictory with a free trial, no credit card required. Click the link in the video description below and start your Pictory adventure today. Once you're in, you'll find a clean and intuitive AI video creation platform. Navigate through your projects, find resources, and customize your profile settings effortlessly. The main dashboard offers 4 exciting video creation methods: script to video, article to video, editing videos using text, or visuals to video. Your creative journey begins with just a click. Section 2. Script to video generation. Imagine transforming your written ideas into captivating videos with just a few clicks. That's the magic of Pictory's script to video generation. It's a game changer for content creators, making video production a breeze. With script to video, you can take any text, whether you're copying and pasting it or typing it directly into Pictory, and effortlessly convert it into stunning visuals. It's the perfect tool to bring your stories, ideas, and messages to life. But here's where the true innovation shines through. Pictory lets you customize your video with scene settings, allowing you to auto-highlight keywords. This dynamic feature automatically selects visuals that complement your text, enhancing the visual appeal and message delivery of your video. You have the flexibility to choose when and where new scenes are created. Whether it's sentence breaks, line breaks, or both, Pictory adapts to your preferences, ensuring your video flows seamlessly and tells your story in the way you envision it. Once your text is in and your scene settings are perfect, it's time to style your video. Pictory offers a variety of templates to choose from, giving you the creative freedom to match your video style with your content's tone. And don't forget about aspect ratios. Whether it's 16:9 for traditional displays, 9:16 for mobile, or 1:1 for square formats, Pictory caters to your audience's viewing preferences. Pictory's magic doesn't stop there. As soon as you enter your text and select a template, it goes to work, creating a visual storyboard that outlines your video. This storyboard is the blueprint for your video, showcasing how your text will seamlessly transition into engaging visuals. But what's truly remarkable is Pictory's ability to automatically style your video. It brings your text to life scene by scene, making video creation a breeze. However, for those who crave fine-tuned control, Pictory also offers the option to manually edit your video scene by scene. It's the perfect blend of automation and creative freedom. Section 3. Article to video. Have you ever wanted to take an informative article or a blog post and transform it into a visually engaging video? Pictory's article to video feature makes that a reality. It's the perfect tool for content creators and marketers looking to breathe new life into their written content. With article to video, you can effortlessly convert published blog posts, articles, press releases, or any text-based HTML pages into captivating videos. The process is as simple as copying and pasting the article's URL into Pictory. No need to retype or reformat. Pictory's AI takes care of it all. Once you've input the article's URL, Pictory's AI springs into action. It extracts the article's key messages and transforms them into a series of scenes. This feature not only saves you time but also ensures that your video is focused on the most important takeaways. Now comes the creative part. Pictory gives you the flexibility to pick a template that aligns with your branding and message. It's an opportunity to style your video to match your content's tone and your audience's preferences. You have the creative freedom to make it truly yours. Once the storyboard is ready, it's time to enhance your video. Pictory's AI can assist you in adding visuals, elements, and styling automatically. Alternatively, you can roll up your sleeves and do it yourself, giving you full control over the visual elements of your video. Section 4. Edit videos using text. What if you could breathe new life into your existing videos or enhance their impact with ease? With Pictory's Edit Videos Using Text feature, you can do just that. Whether it's revamping old content or fine-tuning your latest masterpiece, this tool streamlines the editing process, putting the power of creativity at your fingertips. Edit Videos Using Text allows you to work with your existing video content effortlessly. You can import videos from a YouTube link or upload audio-video files directly into Pictory. No matter where your video lives, Pictory's AI can transform it into something remarkable. The key to impactful video editing lies in precision, and Pictory understands that. When you upload your video, Pictory will inquire about the number of speakers in the video. This critical detail enables Pictory's AI to generate an accurate transcription and create a scene-by-scene storyboard. Once the transcription and storyboard are ready, you have the freedom to edit and style your video. Whether you want to trim, add, or rearrange scenes, Pictory's intuitive interface makes the process a breeze. It's your canvas, and you're the artist, painting your video masterpiece scene by scene. Section 5. Visuals to video. Visual storytelling is a captivating way to convey your message, and Pictory's Visuals to Video feature takes it to the next level. With this tool, you can effortlessly turn images and video clips into mesmerizing video content, unlocking a world of creativity. Visuals to Video simplifies the process of video creation. It begins with you adding your visual assets, images and video clips, directly from your computer. You have the flexibility to arrange them in the sequence that best tells your story, creating a storyboard that guides your video's flow. But what truly sets Pictory apart is its dedication to customization. Once your visual assets are in place, you'll be directed to the Templates page. Here, you can select a template that resonates with your brand and message. It's an opportunity to infuse your unique style into the video. Choose the aspect ratio that suits your audience's preferences, and then continue your creative journey. As you proceed, Pictory works its magic, generating a video storyboard that outlines the sequence of your visual story. It's a blueprint for your video's transformation. Here, you have the chance to refine your video style further. You can even add more visual files, ensuring your narrative is rich, engaging, and immersive. Section 6. Techniques for creating personalized content and ads with pictory.ai. In today's digital landscape, personalization is the key to making a lasting impact. Pictory.ai understands the importance of tailored content, and it offers a range of personalization options that put you in the driver's seat of your creative journey. Whether you're creating content or ads, these techniques can elevate your message and leave a memorable mark on your audience. Your brand is your identity, and consistency is key. Pictory.ai empowers you to infuse your brand's essence into your videos seamlessly. From selecting templates that resonate with your brand colors and tone to customizing every aspect of your video style, Pictory ensures that your videos are an authentic extension of your brand. Section 7. How to use Pictory to create engaging faceless YouTube videos. Now, let's talk about the intriguing concept of faceless YouTube videos and why they're gaining popularity. Faceless videos allow you to keep the focus squarely on your content, removing distractions and potential biases associated with the presenter's appearance. This approach enhances the accessibility of your content, making it more inclusive and relatable to a broader audience. Faceless videos can also lend an air of mystery and curiosity to your content, compelling viewers to focus on the message itself. This technique is particularly effective in scenarios where the content is more important than the presenter's identity. It's a powerful tool for creating engaging tutorials, educational content, or advertisements that resonate with diverse audiences. Narration. Choose between narrating the video yourself, utilizing an AI-generated voice, or simply using text to communicate your message. Each option offers unique advantages. Narrating the video with your voice adds a personal touch, while an AI voice ensures a polished and professional delivery. Alternatively, using text can engage viewers visually and accommodate those who prefer reading. Text captions. Regardless of your chosen narration method, adding text captions enhances accessibility and engagement. It makes your content more inclusive for viewers with hearing impairments and allows everyone to follow along, even in noisy environments or situations where sound may not be ideal. Pictory simplifies the process of adding captions, ensuring your content is accessible to a wide audience. Music has the power to elevate your video's emotional impact and keep your audience engaged. Pictory offers a library of 15,000 tracks to choose from, allowing you to select the perfect background music that complements your message and video style. Whether you want to create a sense of excitement, calm, or inspiration, the right music sets the tone and enhances the overall viewer experience. Section 8. Accessibility and cost-effectiveness of AI video production. One of the most remarkable aspects of AI video production is its accessibility. It breaks down barriers, making video creation a possibility for individuals and businesses of all sizes. Whether you're an aspiring YouTuber, a startup looking to make an impact, or a seasoned content creator, AI democratizes the creative process. It's a cost-effective solution that doesn't compromise on quality, ensuring that your message reaches a global audience. Section 9. Try Pictory now. Are you ready to embark on a journey of creative exploration and storytelling excellence? Pictory is here to empower you, and now is the perfect time to take the leap. Don't miss the opportunity to try Pictory for free and experience firsthand the transformative power of AI-powered video creation. In the video description below, you'll find the link to start your Pictory adventure. It's a risk-free opportunity to dive into a world of innovation, where your ideas are transformed into engaging videos effortlessly. Click that link and let your creativity soar. Your creative journey awaits, and Pictory is your trusted companion. Sign up today, and let's turn your ideas into captivating visual stories that captivate, educate, and inspire. Don't hesitate. Take the first step toward unlocking your creative potential with Pictory. As we wrap up this incredible journey through the future of AI in content creation, one thing is abundantly clear. The possibilities are limitless, and Pictory is at the forefront of this revolution. The creative landscape has evolved, and AI is here to stay, making content creation more accessible, efficient, and impactful than ever before. We've witnessed how Pictory empowers you to transform your ideas into captivating visual narratives, from text to video, articles to visuals, and beyond. It's your tool for unleashing creativity and capturing attention. But the adventure doesn't end here. We invite you to explore Pictory's capabilities for yourself. Click the link in the video description below and start your Pictory adventure today. Dive into the world of AI-powered video creation and witness the magic of turning your concepts into compelling stories that resonate with your audience. Your journey is just beginning, and Pictory is your trusted companion every step of the way. Lastly, if you found this journey inspiring and informative, don't forget to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting insights, tutorials, and creative possibilities in the world of AI-powered content creation. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure, and we can't wait to see the amazing content you'll create with Pictory. Until next time, happy creating!